open the browser and search for www.naayom.com. It will redirect you to our official website. Once you will enter in the website, and then on the right top corner you have to click, and once you click on that you will get a button of login. So click on the login button. It will redirect you to our web application. You, uh, uh, you have to sign the terms and conditions and accept. After that you have to log in using your mobile number and OTP. Firstly you have to select your country code. As we are in India right now, so we will select the India. If you are from another country, you have to select your own country, and after that you have to log in using your mobile number and OTP. Once you will enter the OTP, it will show that you have successfully logged in to our mobile web app. As you can see, you have successfully logged in. Here you can see no device found. Click here to refresh. You don't have any access of the devices, so this thing is being written. Once you will get access, then it will automatically show you the device. After that you have to click on share button. Once you will have clicked on share button, you have to name, and you will get a button of add to home screen. So you have to click on that button. Once you click on that button, so you will get to change the name if you need to change the name of this app. For now we have named it as Naayom. Naayom. Now you can see you have the mobile application of Naayom on your home page. Thank you.